Hey everyone, my name is Brett. I'm one of the agents at Boss Models in Cape Town. Boss is the most established agency in South Africa, and I'm very lucky to work with amazing, talented, and crazy people who love what they do. I think you'll all agree that we find ourselves in strange and very uncertain times. The coronavirus has brought us all to a standstill. Right now I'm shooting this from the comfort of my home and probably driving my wife completely crazy. But at least this coffee's good. Nevertheless, it's given us time to slow down, reflect, and look at new ways we can connect and make a difference. Throughout the years, we've had the fortune at Boss Models to be able to work with and learn from incredibly talented and creative professionals in our industry. Photographers, our clients, magazine editors, stylists, makeup artists, the list goes on. And, of course, our amazing models. And we hope we can share some of that insight with you. We hope you enjoy the interviews and insights on our channel, and by so doing, reach and connect with more people and maybe inspire new ideas. Like us, share us.